FTSE100, the only indices which has shown a very extreme bullish move. You can see it breached past 7100, which was the stronger resistance. I told you can buy above that and be cautious till 7200. That is also a level beyond which you can definitely, 7200 was the level which is beyond which certainly you can expect extreme bullish momentum. And see, precisely it has gone close to 7400 levels. Now this is the extreme bullishness it is seen. Now what to expect next week? Is it the highs which is done, or we are looking forward to further bullish momentum from here? What to do, whether to buy, whether to sell, and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators, and we'll decide the strategy towards the end of this analysis. I'll give you the trading levels in this strategy, so do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do note down the levels. Those who are new to the channel must subscribe the channel, as missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as you'll be also missing my daily analysis before the EU session which I share for FTSE100 and Germany 40. So do watch that also. Let's start. See, couple of points we have always told you: 6800, 7000 and 7200. See, 7000 how many times it is given a support, 6800 how many times it is given a support, and now in fact 7200, which was a stronger resistance, it has breached that. It was also a good support. So now FTSE100 trading outside this zone, which was a stronger support zone, and now trying to trade bullish here. See, we told you beyond 7200, certainly 7400 levels can be expected. It is precisely gone close to it. Now what should be expected? See, now if you connect the dots of the highs, how it has behaved in last few weeks, you will find the highs are precisely situated at around 7500. Now 7500 is going to be the extreme resistance zone for FTSE100, and then 7600. See, 7600, 7500. First let it breach past 7400, which is the first resistance, and the maximum resistance 7380, 7420. If you recall, we have been tracking out these numbers since long, 7380, 7420, and trading above 7420. You can consider it for 7500. Definitely it is going to achieve, and beyond 7500 in fact further bullishness to be seen. But see the previous candle, look into the holistic picture, look at the previous candle, a strong bullish breakout candle. See how it has behaved in last few weeks. You can find out higher lows, higher highs, and now the support here on the downside at 7200 definitely will be there. 7100 will be there as a good support too. On the upside, the limits are the upside is limited, that is what it appears. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, remember, this is a breakout candle after breaching 7200. You can find out it was trading in this channel, and then this breakout has appeared, and this is the first bullish candle. Probably next week, once it trades above 7400, you can certainly remain bullish. You can expect 7420, 7450 and 7500 as the next target, and once it trades beyond 7500, certainly more bullishness can be expected, which might take it till towards 7550, 7600 levels. Now also look at the daily charts. If you connect the dots here, you will find the highs are almost done here, and hence you have to remain cautious of 7400. Only and only if you see it trading above 7400, consider this for a bullish move there. So this is on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly. Now on the monthly candle, you look at these two candles, and if you connect the dots here, it is precisely at the highs of these candles. And yes, the lows this time shied away from the lows of this, but consider that it has certainly given a breakout here and almost has achieved the highs. There is still a little potential for it to achieve 7400 and in fact 7500, which is going to be a very strong resistance zone. So potentially the upside is quite limited, that is what appears, and even if it has to trade, it may trade slightly sideways or bearish from now. Yes, achieving 7400, definitely 7420 will bring more bullishness, which might bring it till towards 7500, but still I'll see a lesser upside, and the downside is also very limited. It can get or remain with the support at around 7100. It can continue to trade bullish, and hence you have to remain cautious at 7100 levels, which can be a very good support and which can act as a support for it to continue with the bullish momentum. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at the indicators. And indicators, if you look at the daily charts here on the indicators, you will find it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. It is trading above the 20-50 100 period moving average. Now it is trading in the extremely bullish zone. 7200 is the max support and the strongest support, which is a resistance which it has reached. Now this is going to be the next support level, and hence till the time it trades above 7200, consider this as bullish. Now look at the daily charts. The width of the directional movement has expanded a lot. Probably it needs a conversion, and hence a little drop towards the beginning of the week cannot be denied. Stochastic is also near to overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish, indicating bullishness. The RSI looking upwards, entering into overbought levels. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts to see the steps here, it is given a breakout here, it is created a step, and then with that step it has seen a good rise. At the same time, trading above the 20-50-100 moving average, indicating little bullish momentum, but at the same time 7400 to be considered a good resistance. Yes, you can buy at 7480 and expect it to rise. So 7380, 7420 zone you have to be cautious of. Directional movement, waiting for a bearish bullish crossover. I'll wait for it to sustain that. Stochastic rising from the highs, probably it may take it till towards overbought levels. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. I will wait for it to cross over and take a bullish confirmation. RSI looking upwards. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts also bullish indication, directional movement so far which was bearish, now looking forward to converge here. The stochastic after hitting the bottom trying to reverse. The MACD, if you look at the MACD, has just crossed over and it is trying to converge, and potentially it may cross over for a bullish move. RSI is looking upwards. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and level for next. So where to buy FTSE100 next week? I will recommend you to buy only at 7380. Yes, it's a little far, but I will recommend you to buy here, and then you can expect 7400, 7420. Do not consider this as bullish till the time it trades below 7420. Beyond 7420, you can remain long for 7450 and 7480, then 7510. Beyond 7510, further bullishness can be expected. 7550, 7600 levels cannot be denied. Very strong resistance levels on the upside. See, on the downside, 7200 and 7100, these are the two strong support levels which will now act as a shield for FTSE100. There is a possibility that it can reverse and erase all the gains because it is near to overbought levels. There is a possibility for it to drop also. Hence, you can take a sell position at 7320. Below that, you can expect 7280, 7260, 7235, and then below that 7200. Now 7200 is going to be the max support. Below that I will look forward to 7140 and 7100 as the next support, and below that it is looking forward to a good crash. Hence take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Remember each milestone significance level, and hence do not wait for a bigger profit. Try to capture smaller profits so that at each milestone you can book some profits and re-enter, or keep the 50% and book the profits on 50%, else just shift the stop loss to these targets, and that is what will definitely secure your profits. And trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trading stop loss. Yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch, the 17th batch, is going to start on 4th of December. Be a part of it. Hurry up, book your seats now so that you can be on time and do not regret that you have delayed, and the new year is definitely going to be a profitable one for you. Else you can be part of my single channel, see thousands of points and pips gathered in just few weeks. I have posted in communities tab, I post it in my telegram channel also, and definitely it will help you become a profitable trader. So reach out to me via telegram or email. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Look at the channel description, everything is available. You can definitely contact me on any of the mentioned contact links. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.